Question number first. Ordinary table salt is sodium chloride. What is baking soda? Option A potassium chloride. Option B potassium carbonate. Option C potassium hydroxide. Option D sodium bicarbonate. Right answer option D sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate is the scientific and chemical name for the common household product baking soda. Question number 2. Ozone hole refers to option A hole in ozone layer, option B decrease in the ozone layer in troposphere, option C decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere, option D increase in the thickness of ozone layer in troposphere. Right answer option C decrease in thickness of ozone layer in stratosphere. The term ozone hole refers to the depletion of the protective ozone layers in the upper atmosphere stratosphere over Earth's polar regions. Stratospheric ozone is constantly produced by the action of the sun's ultraviolet radiation on oxygen molecules known as photochemical reaction. Question number 3. Pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, and cypress are the famous timber yielding plants, of which several also occur widely in the hilly regions of India. All these belong to option A angiosperms, option B gymnosperms, option C monocotyledons, option D dicotyledons. Right answer option B gymnosperms. Pine, fir, spruce, cedar, larch, and cypress are the famous timber yielding plants, of which several also occur widely in the hilly regions of India. All these belongs to gymnosperms, a taxonomic class that includes plants whose seeds are not enclosed in an ovule. Question number 4. Pollination is best defined as option A transfer of pollen from anther to stigma, option B germination of pollen grains, option C growth of pollen tube in ovule, option D visiting flowers by insects. Right answer option A transfer of pollen from anther to stigma. Pollination can be best defined as the transfer of pollen from the male anther of a flower to the female stigma to produce new offspring. Question number 5. Plants receive their nutrients mainly from option A chlorophyll, option B atmosphere, option C light, option D soil. Right answer option D soil. Plants receive their nutrients mainly from soil. Question number 6. Movement of cell against concentration gradient is called option A osmosis, option B active transport, option C diffusion, option D passive transport. Right answer option B active transport. Active transport, this is the only transport method that can move species against their concentration gradient from low to high concentration, facilitated Diffusion only move species down their concentration gradient from high to low concentration. Question number 7. Photosynthesis generally takes place in which parts of the plant? Option A, leaf and other chloroplast bearing parts. Option B, stem and leaf. Option C, roots and chloroplast bearing parts. Option D, bark and leaf. Right answer, option A, leaf and other chloroplast bearing parts. In plants, the process of photosynthesis takes place in the mesophyll of the leaves inside the chloroplasts. Chloroplasts contain disc-shaped structure called thylakoids, which contain the pigment chlorophyll. Question number 8. Plants synthesis protein from option A starch, option B sugar, option C amino acids, option D fatty acids. Right answer, option C amino acids. We know that proteins are polymers of amino acids, so plants are also used to synthesize protein from amino acids. Hence, plant synthesis protein from amino acids in the presence of ATP by specific synthetase. Question number 9. Plants absorb dissolved nitrates from soil and convert them into option A free nitrogen, option B urea, option C ammonia, option D proteins. Right answer, option A free nitrogen. The plant cells absorb nitrates from the soil and convert them into ammonia, which ultimately reduce to ammonium ions NH4+. These ammonium ions are then combined with organic compounds to form amino acids such as glutamine, est free nitrogen. This process of conversion is known as nitrogen fixation. Question number 10. Plants absorb most part of water needed by them through their option A embryonic zone, option B growing point, option C root hairs, option D zone of elongation. Right answer, option C root hairs. Root hair cells are specialized epidermal cells that greatly increase the surface area of roots. The function of root hairs is to collect water and mineral nutrients present in the soil and take this solution up through the roots to the rest of the plant. Question number 11. Photooxidation is option A photorespiration, option B photolysis, option C light and oxygen induced breakdown, option D all of the above. Right answer, option D all of the above. Photooxidation involves all of the above process. Question number 12. Process of cell division can take place by option A heterosis, option B fusion, option C mitosis, option D none of these. Right answer, option C Mitosis. Mitosis is a process of nuclear division in eukaryotic cells that occurs when a parent cell divides to produce two identical daughter cells during cell division. Mitosis refers specifically to the separation of the duplicated genetic material carried in the nucleus. Question number 13. Most highly intelligent mammals are option A whales, option B dolphins, option C elephants, option D kangaroos. Right answer option B dolphins. Dolphins are the most highly intelligent mammals. Question number 14. Plant development is influenced by option A quality of light only, option B quality and quantity of light, option C quality and duration of light, option D quality, quantity and duration of light. Right answer option D quality, quantity and duration of light. Plant development is influenced by quality, quantity and duration of light. Plants cannot get too much light, but they can get too much of the heat energy that comes with the light. Question number 15. Prokaryotic cells lack option A nucleolus, option B nuclear membrane, option C membrane bound by organelles, option D all of these. Right answer option D all of these. Prokaryotic cells lack nucleolus, nuclear membrane and membrane bound by organelles. Question number 16. Photosynthesis takes place faster in option A yellow light, option B white light, option C red light, option D darkness. Right answer option C red light. Photosynthesis takes place faster in red light. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plant and some other organisms convert light energy into chemical energy. It primarily occurs in chloroplast, where pigments such as chlorophyll absorb light. While chlorophyll absorbs light from various parts of the light spectrum, it is most efficient in the red and blue parts of the spectrum. Red light is absorbed more effectively than other colors, making it the most favorable for photosynthesis. Question number 17. Nucleus, the genetic material containing rounded body in each cell, was first discovered in 1831 by option A Robert Hooke, option B Robert Brown, option C Rudolf Virchow, option D Theodore Swan. Right answer option B Robert Brown. Nucleus, the genetic material containing rounded body in each cell, was first discovered in 1831 by Robert Brown. Question number 18. Primary phloem develops From option A, lateral meristem, option B, protoderm, option C, extrastellar cambium, option D, provascular tissue. Right answer option D, provascular tissue. Primary phloem develops from provascular tissue. Question number 19. Other than spreading malaria, Anopheles mosquitoes are also vectors of option A, dengue fever, option B, yellow fever, option C, filariasis, option D, encephalitis. Right answer option C, filariasis. Other than spreading malaria, Anopheles mosquitoes are also vectors of filariasis. Question number 20. Plants that grow in saline water are called option A, halophytes, option B, hydrophytes, option C, mesophytes, option D, thallophytes. Right answer option A, halophytes. A halophyte is a salt-tolerant plant that grows in soil or waters of high salinity, coming into contact with saline water through its roots or by salt spray, such as in saline semi-deserts, mangrove swamps, marshes, and slough and seahorses. Question number 21. Pyorrhea is a disease of the option A, nose, option B, gums, option C, heart, option D, lungs. Right answer option B, gums. Pyorrhea or periodontal disease, to give it a proper medical term, is a disease of the gums. It is one of the most widely prevalent diseases. It affects the membrane surrounding the roots of the teeth and leads to loosening of the teeth, pus formation, and shrinkage of the gum. This disease is the primary cause for tooth loss among adults. Question number 22. O2 released in the process of photosynthesis comes from option A, CO2, option B, water, option C, sugar, option D, pyruvic acid. Right answer option B, water. Photosynthesis is the process by which plants use the energy of light to produce carbohydrates and molecular oxygen O2 from carbon dioxide, CO2, and water. Question number 23. Placenta is the structure formed option A, by the union of fetal and uterine tissue, option B, by fetus only, option C, by fusion of germ layers, option D, none of these. Right answer option A, by the union of fetal and uterine tissue. Placenta is the structure formed by the union of fetal and uterine tissue. Question number 24. Plants hormone that induces cell division is option A, auxins, option B, gibberellins, option C, cytokinins, option D, domains. Right answer option C, cytokinins. Plants hormone that induces cell division is cytokinins. Question number 25. Phloem is a tissue found in option A reproductive organs of animal, option B plants, option C insects, option D mammals. Right answer option B plants. Phloem, also called vast tissues in plants that conducts foods made in the leaves to all other parts of the plant. Phloem is composed of various specialized cells called sieve tubes, companion cells, phloem fibers, and phloem parenchyma cells.